I'm Sayed Mutaf from 9th, and today we had our science exhibition 2024. And here in class pre-9th and 7th, they brought their science projects and tech projects too. It was a pretty overall great experience because many students had worked hard on this. They showed how the cardiovascular, our heart works, bus tech topology, and multiple other projects. And it was really great to see how students work hard on their projects. And we conducted it. We had great guests that showed up. They told their insights on our projects. And exhibition alhamdulillah, went very well. And I feel so proud of my school. And I'm really grateful for the other schools that have come to this exhibition and they appreciated our students. And I felt really proud as a senior of Mehnaz Fatma Academy. Thank you so much.
This is Hibali representing grade pre-9th A. So basically I'm here to represent the models we've made for our class activities, the activities we used to do in our class. So here are the models we've made, the models representing a lot of stuff, promoting a lot of stuff and providing awareness of a lot of things. So basically this is a model of solar panel and solar house. Mainly it is used in a lot of houses of today. So that's why this is very beneficial for our society. Rather than this, we've got Newton's cradle, which is basically dedicates the third law of Newton. And then we've got the water purification system, which dedicates the natural process to purify the water. And Carnival Ride, which dedicates the third law of Newton and the rotatory motion. And most importantly, we've got the deforestation and afforestation solutions. So this is the afforestation. We've made this to provide awareness to people that they don't have to cut the trees and save the planet. Yeah, thank you so much.
I am Maheen Adnan from class pre-9th B and I'm representing my school, Mehnaz Fatima Foundation. These are my group members and today we're going to present some science projects to you. What I first have is Newton's cradle, which shows that when this marble is lifted upwards, the potential energy is stored in this one. And when I release it, it's going to be lifted upwards and it's going to be like an action-reaction. It also says that when two objects collide, the value of momentum will remain same. So these two are going to be lifted upward if I lift these two, and same with the 3 and the 4th one. It was invented by A.B. Martin and explained the laws of Newton. The second thing we have right here is copper electroplating. Copper electroplating is simply a process in which a thin layer of copper coats a silver coin. This was the before of the coin which I have right now. And after copper electroplating, how the coin looks is this. It also tells us that because of the copper sulfate solution in this, the positive ions which are in this copper are going to be attracted toward this negative cathode, and the sulfur ions that are negative are going to be attracted toward this anode, which is positive right now. What happens when these are attracted is it's going to create a solution which is going to make our coin orange, and it's going to have a layer of copper around it. Two processes basically take place. One of them is reduction. Reduction is when these gains electrons. The silver coin is gaining electrons while this is losing electrons, called oxidation. It also says that copper electroplating is better than gold electroplating as it's really cheap and is better for us. Now, you use copper electroplating in jewelries, your houses, in spoons and silver spoons, metal objects, doorknobs, and tons of other things. It protects our objects from corrosion and makes them shiny and presentable. Thank you.
My name is Sosan Ali and I'm here in front of you from grade pre-9th A. So this is my model of water wheel. So what we have to do is we have to pour the water inside this container, and then it's gonna be, this turbine is gonna spin, and it can generate electricity. And in the old times, in the Roman times, we used it for grinding grains into wheat. But like in this time, like in this modern era, we use it for producing electricity that we use in our everyday life, like cooling, heating, and all this stuff. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ali Hanan from grade pre-9th A. Today I am gonna show you my project, which is wind turbine. A wind turbine is a device that converts kinetic energy from wind into electrical energy. A wind turbine is a great source of renewable source of energy and cost effective. The first wind turbine was installed by William James in 1883. Thank you.
So I have performed an experiment on density. So these are the experiment. First of all, I add egg in the normal water and the egg is sinking. And in the salt water, I add the egg and it is floating. So I will tell you the reason why. So the reason behind this is that in salt water there is greater density and in normal water there is less density. So that's why it's floating and it is sinking. Today I'm here to tell you about deforestation. So basically deforestation means the loss of trees, cutting down of trees and destroying the life of animals. So there's the question why people do deforestation. People do deforestation for their needs, for the construction, and other needs like raw materials for factories. So what we lost of this? We lost the oxygen, we lost food, we lost fresh air. And the causes of this deforestation is climate change, temperature rise and greenhouse gases effect.
Today I am here to present a water fountain which is basically made by me and my friend Armin. So this fountain is basically used in gardens and at our house. This is a showpiece, so it basically works when the motor works, and when the water comes up, it again falls down. So this is how it's works.
So now I'm gonna tell you that how motor works. Motor pushes water upwards and do the process of falling basin, and water falls down. And this is made by this styrofoam that we have made it. I use cement, stones, and many hard work. It's need a many hard work to do. This is a showpiece that you can apply it in your homes, in your gardens, and etc.
Kazim.